Okay, good morning everybody out there in YouTube land. This is Kilo G going to do a test. I'm either crazy enough or developed enough sense to try this. So I'm going to switch this battery switch over to all now that my charge controller has basically dumped one panel. See, it's showing 7.6 amps at 29 volts. It's thrown away one complete panel. So I'm going to switch my battery switch to all, which is connected to this GTI. Another bad meter, imagine that. And it's going to go up here and register. So here we go live. Boy, I hope the hell I don't blow nothing up. Let's see what happens. What happens is, it turned the GTI on. Yay! There it goes. $63 watts coming in. Charge controller is still taking 8 amps. It's still in absorbing mode. The battery is set to all. So this little test of mine proves my theory that it's dumping power, and the power can go through the grid tie if you simply set it to all, which means both lugs inside the switch are set hot. So there it is. It's taken 7.9, 14.3 at 12 volts. It's absorbing, and at the same time, it's powering my power jack, and it's throwing 75 watts. Wow, that's fantastic. I'm glad I tried this. Okay, I'm going to post this because here it is. You can do it, and you don't have to be here. Put your switch to all, and it should do it as soon as the charge controller doesn't need the power. That's the primary connection. Alright. Thanks for watching. Okay there, YouTubers, it's me again checking my progress on my grid tie update. Yeah, I know that's a WANF meter. I got a bad, brand new P3 meter. Imagine that. That's probably because I'm the only guy, maybe I'm the only guy running more than 600 watts constantly through these things. I'm having so much trouble. But anyway, there's the charge controller. The trainer panels are down to putting 2.4 amps through the charge controller. I have the battery switch set to all. And there's my 1200 that hasn't been mounted yet. Follow that up slowly so I don't give you brain damage, and you can see, look at that, 200 and whatever it's reading, 232, 227, so that was power that's been wasted for the last 9 months. And you can put the battery switch in like I did, and I ran my solar panels to the back of this switch. I'm going to tell you how to do it. I ran the solar panels in through this fuse, okay? This wire comes up, it goes to the common, the lug that says common. Then I have the charge controller itself set to lug number 1 or number 1. I have the power jack set for number 2. Now you can also combine 1 and 2 by switching to all, which is what I've done. So turn the light on again, as my charge controller is dumping excess power by the switch selecting all, it's taking the wasted power that was normally going to the ground rod down into my power jack and up into my house. So that's pretty cool. So here it is. It can be done. And I gotta tell you, that was a hell of a gamble. You know, $600 a pop for these charge controllers. Not to mention the power jack. But anyway, it works. And I'm going to post this now because I'm sure somebody else out there might be thinking about doing this, and it can be done. And on the bottom here we got 506 on one tracker and 485, 490 on the other. They swap places back and forth all day long. But I got a P3 meter that the numbers are just all goofed up on it. Imagine that. I don't have too good a luck with electronics, apparently. Okay, that's it. And that's the end of me today. Bye.